Is low efficiency leading to fragmented work? All-round flagship multifunctional docking station. Equipped with all the interfaces you need, let's delve deeper into understanding. Supports Windows and macOS. Plug and play, no waiting. Don't forget we still have the CD function. High-speed writing and recording function. 24x CD recording speed. Docking station design effectively enhances efficiency. Provide an unparalleled multitasking environment. The optical drive adopts a suspension damping structure. TF is simple. The dedicated card slot can be used at any time. Connect to a mobile phone? No problem at all. Mobile phones are very convenient to use. Compact size. It's super convenient to pick up and go.